Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to grow your Shopify store using influencers and creators? In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify Collabs in 2025 step by step to find creators, manage partnerships, and boost your sales. So, what is Shopify Collabs? Shopify Collabs is a free app that helps you connect influencers, track affiliate sales, and run ambassador programs all in one place. So log into your account, Shopify account. Wait a minute. Now go to app section, then click app and sales channel settings. From here, click Shopify App Store. Now in the search bar, click Shopify Collabs. Look like that. Now next, click install. Then follow the process. Click get started. Enter your email to receive call-up notification email. Product category like beauty or t-shirt, clothes. Choose primary audience like everyone, female or male. Then finish setup. You must have a Shopify store and admin access to install the app. Okay, now activate an open access program. Click add connect collection. Select one from your collection. Write a short bio. Then click join waitlist. Then go to recruiting for influencers like that. Make sure your brand page attractive. It's what influencers will see before applying. In Collabs, go to program. Affiliate program or create a program and give it a name. Set commission. Like 10% sell. Choose payout method like PayPal etc. Enable tracking with unique links or discount codes. Higher commissions equal to more creators will apply to promote your products. Go to Discover Creator tab. Filter by niche like fashion or go to recruiting. Then you can filter by social account like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok or YouTube, location, then add filter, audience, etc. View social profiles, audience size, engagement. Click invite to collab or invite creator or send a custom message. Look for a micro influencers, 5K to 50K followers. They often bring better engagement and lower cost. Now go to inbox, then applications, review creators information or connections tab. Approve or reject with one click. Just start communication directly inside the app. Be clear in expectations, content type, delivery time, hashtags, payment. Now go to payments tab, view top performer, track sales from each creator, send payments easily from inside the platform. Pay on time to build long-term creators relationships. Offer exclusive discounts. Final tips: offer exclusive discounts, reward top creators, run seasonal collabs like Valentine's, Black Friday, collect UGC, user generated content for ads. And that's how to use Shopify Collabs in 2025 to grow your store with influencer. Then go to settings. You can verify your email from this tab. Go to profile, add your profile, like you can add your YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Twitch account. Just enter your handle name or Instagram, and that's it. Like and subscribe and drop a comment if you want a free collab onboarding checklist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.